हाँ बोलो क्या बात है.
This is my kid.
Come on guys, knee down in front of Princess Bunny.
Stop fucking chasing me, bitch.
Doing? Are you gay?
Me too then, bitch. You want to chase me too then, bitch.
Ragging wanna be fucked with banana or with coconut oil?
Pull your gun out, pussy. Pussy ass bitch. Now you want to be a cop again.
Hey, you motherfucker, you get killed by Princess Bunny. Come here, Jerry, knee down in front of Princess Bunny. Come on, Jerry, knee down in front of Princess Bunny. It's an order.
No, that's dirty.
Oh, so
That's
sorry,
dirty.
ragging. You are arrested by police. I'm so sorry. Have fun in prison and clean the prison nicely, ragging.
That's dirty, bro. Wow. Yeah, here. You already tough me now, nigga. Here.
Put him in prison permanent, police officer. This person is permanent in prison, ragging. He's a gay.
Baby, I'm so done with intoxicated. You should reach out and take
Officer, put this person permanent in prison. He should be in prison, ragging.
No, gang, don't hit me with that, gang. You gonna hit me with a fine? A fucking fine, gang? You can't just, bro, you can't just put me in jail? You already ran up and cuffed me, gang. What the fuck? Attempted murder? You not hitting all of them with attempted murder? What the fuck? Man. Wow, so I got a $15,000 fine, gang. Are you serious, bro? Wow. Man, you're fucked up, bro. You I thought you was a gang member, gang. You come off the cut as a cop? You one dirty bastard bitch for that. Let you take my girl next time. I'm just tell her to run it. I'm tired of this shit. Like, bro, jail. God damn, you trying to make my time longer. You're gonna put 5 fucking stars on me too, bro. That's 25 minutes, gang. All right, how do I pay it? How do I pay it? How do I pay it? Bro, take me to the bank then, gang. You already got me cuffed, bro. You might as well just take me to the bank so I can pay my shit, gang. Oh, you're bro. Can you put me down to 4 stars, bro? I get 20 minutes. 20. You go. That's dirty, bro. You ain't supposed to. Mad.